Okay, trade recap from today. I'm gonna start with a blank chart so I can kind of go over everything. We did actually take longs today. I know the market dumped, but we caught some nice longs. You should be able to see the executions right here and here. It was just a quick scalp, quick long. But I used something that I don't actually use today, and I'm gonna go over that. So first of all, on the daily, we were we left these relative equal lows down here. I think we could still go lower, but usually when we dump like this, you often see sort of like a relief rally. Like I know that's not like ICT concept or anything, but it's just something that you'll notice if you actually observe the market a lot. And the main basis for this trade was actually on the 15 minute. So I used something called time frame alignment, which I learned from Johnny. It's Johnny. You probably see him on TikTok. He's a big trading guy. And I've been sort of experimenting with implementing that into my own trading. And we did use that today. And basically, the time frame that aligns with the 15 minute is the 1 minute. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So the main basis for this trade was, right, we came down here, we respected this 15-minute fair value gap at 9:30. Originally, I was looking for longs off of this, but there just wasn't really a good IFVG. And then we came up, we inverted this. So going in the 10 a.m. macro, I was bullish because we had inverted this 15-minute fair value gap, making this buy side liquidity the draw. Um, so then I dropped down to the 1 minute, and you can see if you look at 10 here, we kind of just came down here, right? We rallied above 10 a.m., open right here, but we were kind of just bearish from the start of 10 a.m. until right here. Now, I know what you're thinking. We inverted this. So, like, what kind of model is this? What do we respect? This is a range model, which, by the way, that's one of three different categories that I divide inverse fair value gaps into. I talk about that a lot on my previous videos. I have a whole YouTube video about it. It's called How to Actually Trade IFVGs. If you want to learn about that, go watch it. Also, join my free Discord. The link will be in the description. I post every example of each of the three different types of models that comes up every single day. I just put them in the Discord. I explain them. I talk about them. You can ask me questions in there. I'm probably going to start live trading at some point. I've had some people ask me for that. I tried to record some live trades last week, uh, but I didn't end up actually trading. Um, and then of course now I actually get a trade, and I did not live record this today because honestly with this stuff down I wasn't expecting much, but we got this nice setup. So again, time frame alignment, 15 minute and the 1 minute. On the 15 minute we inverted this, so that made this the draw. And again, I was bullish because we respected this, right? We reversed at London, so it's sort of like a New York continuation. Um, and I know that we look super bearish here, but I mean, really, if you look at this, like we left relative equal highs up here. If it weren't for this like AI-based news dump, we were just gonna be bullish this week, right? Like look at yes with these relative equal highs up here. So I just remained bullish. Stayed focused on that. Click I. Here we go. Right. So I did take this on MNQ because this was on a Apex account, and I also took it on a Top Step account on Top Step X. But let's get back into the actual trade. So, like I was saying, it looks like we kind of disrespected that 1 minute fair value gap, but this is still a range model because I used this 15-minute fair value gap. This is what I was looking at, right? So after 10 a.m., I was like, all right, we have this disrespected. We have this buy side up here. I'm gonna wait to see what we do in this 15-minute fair value gap. If we get a good reaction off of it, I'm gonna take a long, and that's exactly what we got. We tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. We inverted this fair value gap right here. And this is where I entered on Top Step. The reason why I'm on this candle on Apex is because I entered first on Top Step, and then I kind of had to wait because I just like wasn't ready to enter sort of. So it just took me a second to enter on Apex. But this is where I entered on Top Step. And it was just a one and done. I went break even here at the internal high and then just closed in full here. This was my stop loss. I think it was like right here. I think it was like a 1-to-1. Um, quick scalp. I didn't hold any runners, which ended up being the right move. Just because I like really, if you look at the high time frame, the draw on liquidity is just that high right there, right? Like sure we ended up running this high. That's really the only other place that you could have a runner. Believe that's also yeah, it's the high of that 1 hour candle. But yeah, I wasn't really looking for expansion to the upside, but this is just so high probability that it's like this is a positive EV play. I took it. It played out. Nice little win. Uh, I can show you guys the profit. 42184. We're in profit on the account. Um, I hope you guys can't do anything with that. I don't care. Yeah, nice trade. Happy with this. I'm gonna be making some more YouTube videos. Let me know if you guys have any like educational type topics that you guys want me to talk about. I've been super consistent and I want to help you guys get consistent in trading. Like it feels really good to get to this point. So yeah, let me know any questions you have. Join the Discord, talk to me, ask any questions in there. Um, and yeah, if you want me to live trade, let me know. If we get enough people, I'll live trade on YouTube, on Discord, either one. I might even try to set it up on TikTok. I've tried before and I got like rejected from the live program, but I ideally I would be able to do it on there. So yeah, let me know. Nice trade. Let me know if you guys took any trades today. In terms of other setups for the day, there really wasn't any. Originally, I was kind of looking for something bearish in here. If we got like a good reaction off of one of like there's an hourly fair value gap in here. If we got a good reaction off of that, I was gonna look for a short, but we didn't end up getting that, and that's okay. And then looks like we've kind of just been chopping around in this 15-minute fair value gap. Not really much left. Not really any good setups other than this nice range model. Uh, yeah, and let me know. Yeah, let me know what trades you guys took. Let me know any other videos you guys want me to see. I hope you guys caught a win today. Honestly, like if you did, I don't know how. I'm surprised I got this win today. Price action was not great. Like this is literally I'm looking at the chart now. This is the only IFVG that's remotely relevant. Yeah, we didn't take this because we didn't tap into the 15-minute for value gap, so we were just like not really delivering from a high time frame PD, right? Uh, yeah, that's all I have to say. Good trading day. I hope you guys did good too.